Hey there, today I will tell you about how to convert Lazada Pay Letter to GCash. It's very easy to do. Lazada Pay Letter is a buy now pay later service that lets Lazada customers make purchases on credit. You can convert this credit to cash on GCash. For this first, you have to open the Lazada app from your device, and then opening the app, after opening the app, then tap on account from here. Then from your profile scroll down and uh, search. You will see your wallet here, available wallet here. um, then you will see various options from here. Bill pay, purchase coupons. Then if you want to bill pay by GCash, then you have to select bill pay, or if you want to activate your wallet, select activate. Then activate your Lazada Pay with your GCash number, and that's how you can activate your Lazada Pay letter cash to GCash.